Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 13 and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. First of all, you need to click on the square button to access background apps. Now click on floating windows at the top left corner. Following that, just click on one of your apps that you wish to use in floating window. If you can't see it over here, tap on this icon at the top right corner and add it. Then select Done at the top right corner as well. Finally, click on your app, and as you can see after that, I can use it in this tiny window. If you want to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. You can even click on Home button to turn it into a bubble. Then, to access it again, click on the bubble. In order to use this app, overlay the other one, just click on the other one and operate in both. If you wish to use your app in full screen view, hold the lower line and drag it down. Then let go. If you wish to close it instead, you can always do that by swiping the same line up or simply closing your app in the background. You can also use floating window by selecting one of your apps from here, clicking on square button again and holding it in background apps. Then click on this icon under two rectangles. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!